Choose your destiny, Part 4. You mount your horse and ride away from the village, leaving its troubles behind. As the cool night air brushes against you, the road stretches out ahead. Suddenly, you hear rustling in the trees beside you. You keep your eyes forward, unsure of what lurks in the darkness, but your heart races with curiosity. The feeling of being watched hangs in the air as you continue down the path. What will our hero do next? Choose in the comments below. A. Investigate the noise. B. Ride faster and ignore it, or simply write what you want to see next.